Okay, guys. So I've been working for a couple of weeks on coming up with a wireless solution for your steering wheel buttons, whatever they may be, whether it's nitrous, turn signals, it doesn't matter. Whatever you want to control with your steering wheel buttons. If you are like me and you don't enjoy having a setup like this, where you've got these telephone cords that wrap around your steering wheel every time you go to turn the wheel, they're just obnoxious. They're in the way. They're annoying, loud, uncomfortable. Just nobody likes the telephone cords on your steering wheel buttons. So what I came up with is I used the buttons that came with my Sparco steering wheel kit, and this, you probably figured out already, is a transmitter, a GM 2-button transmitter for lock, unlock, rolling windows down, whatever you program it for. There's a transmitter and a receiver. So I soldered wires. If you look real closely, there's a black wire and a red wire going to each one of those 2 buttons, and there's a battery underneath the black electrical tape. So I soldered those on, and what those do, here, let me show you what happens. When you push the button, it's like activating the so you can see that sound is my nitrous purging. And then this one is going to be the go button for I got to have 3 activation or 3 parameters met in my Holley ECM to be able to run the nitrous. I got to have, let's see here, above 3,000 RPM. We got to be over 90% throttle position, and I got to be holding that left button on the steering wheel. All 3 parameters have to be met before the computer will fire the nitrous. So anyway, that's what those are for. And all I've done here, if you can see this, that 2-button transmitter controls these 2 relays. They're receivers, and power in, ground in, and then whatever you want to switch, you break your circuit. So if you're switching on the ground side, that's fine. You can switch on the positive side, that works too. But I wired it up to a plug underneath the knee bolster. You probably can't see that at all. Let me grab a flashlight. So I wired a plug up under the knee bolster so this can be, and that was there before for my cables that came off of the steering wheel, the telephone cords, to plug into. So I'm just going to plug into that. I'm going to tuck this relay pack up into the dashboard, and it's gone. So it's really simple. I can draw up a wiring diagram and post a link for where I found the parts. Literally anyone can do this. Let me grab a hold of this button here. So there's the purge solenoid on top right there. And when I hit the button, whew, windy. All I gotta do is hit the button. And it's all wireless. And then over here, you got your nitrous solenoid, your purge solenoid, and your fuel solenoid. So the fuel and the nitrous solenoids are controlled by the nitrous button, and then this one, I still need to write a P on it for purge, and then that one runs the purge solenoid. So it's really, really simple, and I cannot believe a system like this doesn't already exist on the market for people that just want to hook up 1 or 2 buttons. All I found is really complex, expensive $800 and $1,200 systems out in the UK and Australia. They don't want to ship to the US. There's a massive shipping charge. I paid $11 to put this together with Amazon parts. It was just crazy simple, and there's nothing to it. And it's so much nicer. I can't do this one-handed, but it's just so much nicer. You're not going to have any wires strapped around your steering column and getting tangled up and turning your turn signal on for you and all of that. So hold on, let me click this wheel on here. There we go. So the wheels clicked on there, and it's just, man, that is sweet. All right, hit me up in the comments or send me a private message on Facebook, Bobby Hooper. My profile picture on Facebook is a picture of the Cart of War, this car here. So you won't be able to miss it. But if you have any questions, if you need some help, I'm gonna post a link in the comments to where I found these parts. And man, good luck. Hope to see some more of these wireless steering wheels on the racetrack in the next couple of years. Thanks, guys.